what's up everybody? Ochoa back with another video, and man oh man am I glad to be making today's video. Honestly, only because I haven't seen a video like this one yet on YouTube, especially not for the 10th gen Civic. So I'm kind of one of the very first ones, and that makes me a little happy. But today we're gonna be talking about kind of like pros and cons of having a muffler delete on a 10th gen Civic. I drive a 2019 Civic Sport with the 2.0 liter naturally aspirated, not the 1.5 turbo that everyone else has. I have the 2.0 liter naturally aspirated. And for those of you that are new to the channel, sorry about that, the camera not died, but it has to cool down because it got hot, so I can't record in 4K, so I hope the quality is still good. But as I was saying, my 10th gen Civic has an air intake by AEM that I installed myself. The video's up here. And it also has a muffler delete, a custom muffler delete that I went to a custom muffler shop to get it. Then I'm getting a call, so hold on. I'm gonna be telling you what it's like to have a muffler delete. So yeah, let's get started, and here's a quick cold start. So my bad guys, it is a little dark. Well, it is dark out now. It's actually like 8 p.m. I did take a little long to record the video. I am sorry that it's really dark, but it is what it is, guys. So, you know, obviously I'm waiting at a red light, but I would like to start off with how the car sounds obviously on the inside. From the inside, because this is where you spend most of your time obviously as a daily driver. It is not too loud. I really like the way it sounds. We have all the windows up right now. That one is up, that one is up, and we're about 3k RPM in. We only drive around 3k RPM, and then I like to shift. So here's a first gear pull for you guys. That was a shift at 5k RPM. You guys have been hearing what it sounds like on the inside, obviously. Obviously not loud at all. Nice soft sound. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but obviously when I'm 3k RPM in, it does burble a little bit, just a tiny bit, but it's nothing crazy. Before I forget to mention this, on the highway though, it is very loud. Windows down or windows up, I do not care who you are with, what you are listening to. With just a muffler delete, this car is super loud on the highway. I'm talking about the drone will kill your ears. And it is one of the main reasons that I want to change my muffler delete only into like a custom exhaust. Not that I miss having a muffler. I like having the sounds there. I just think that this car is a little too loud for my liking, and a little too loud for not any performance gains at all. So I do want to see if we could fit an SI exhaust on it pretty soon. And according to all the research I've done, an SI exhaust should fit. It might be different hanger positions, but again, that's nothing that a muffler shop can't get done. It should be an easy job. But yeah, it's pretty quiet in here. I'm gonna see if I can hit the highway for you guys to get a couple highway clips so you can hear how bad the drone is. It's kind of nighttime. It's pretty dark out, but it's not even that dark. It's only 8 p.m. out here in Boston, so it's pretty ridiculous. I hate this little exit right here. Alright, so we're pulling up to the highway. We're gonna get a couple highway pulls for you. Just be aware that the drone on this car is really, really bad. I have all windows up right now. We're gonna drive like a normal person. Obviously, when I drive this, I drive it with paddle shifters to give it that manual car feel, and it just sounds a lot louder, but this is what it sounds like on the highway. I'm gonna try to get it to about 4K RPM so you can hear how bad the drone is. So let's get it to 4K. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but that little drone was from 3.5 to 4K. So it went from 4K all the way down to 3.5, and it was that loud. So yes, this car does have a lot of drone. This is from 4th gear, 4K RPM down. Yes, it's really, really loud. This shit is so slow, yo. I don't know how well the camera picked it up, but yes, it's pretty loud even for a cabin. Obviously nothing crazy, but it does sound pretty good. And if this is what you're driving with on a daily in the city, you wouldn't mind it. Obviously it gives the car a race car feel, and that's what we're all looking for at the end of the day, something that just pulls, right? So alright guys, well yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm sorry for all the weird transitions in the video. I've literally been recording this video all day, but yeah, I'm finally editing it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel. Remember, I'm trying to get my first 1,000 subs this year, and I would really appreciate the support from all of you. So also, if you're new, don't forget to click that bell so you never miss another video. And I appreciate you all for coming out and watching. Ochoa out.